with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, today we were put back into a heat advisory for 3 of our counties, including Nueces, Clayburgh, and Jim Wells counties because of the heat indices 110 to 114. Now, this expires at 6 o'clock, and right now we see those temperatures over 100 again in our inland areas. Robstown at 99, 98 right now at Corpus Christi. And you can see the heat index not too high in Corpus Christi. It's 103. The dew point dropped this afternoon and brought that down a little bit. But inland, we're still seeing that heat index at Alice at 111, 112. Kingsville feeling like 102 at Port Aransas. Now, the breezes this afternoon are still holding under 18 miles an hour, but tomorrow those are going to come up. We see that onshore flow increasing, and tomorrow the winds are looking to be about 20 to 25. So it's going to be a windier afternoon tomorrow and Sunday as we see the gusts as high as 30 miles an hour. Then the breezes relax a little next week. But you can see for tonight, low temperatures not too different from what we've been seeing. Upper 70s inland tonight, low 80s right at the coastline. Steady breeze blowing tonight, and then tomorrow the wind picks up and so do the temperatures. It's a hot, sticky day and above average temperatures expected once again, and we'll probably see some heat advisories issued again for tomorrow. You can see that temperature by 11 o'clock at 93 and that dangerous heat index already up to 105 by then, and by 3 o'clock at 98 degrees, the heat index at 111 in Corpus Christi. The humidity will go up with that onshore flow increasing, and as a result the winds are going to increase as well for tomorrow. These are the forecast high temperatures across the area for your Saturday. 92 degrees at Rockport, 102 at Mathis, and 98 Corpus Christi. We're going to be very similar again on Sunday as the heat wave continues. If you're doing some traveling tomorrow, it's hot everywhere and dry. The only place that may see thunderstorms, scattered thunderstorms, are in Houston's forecast at 96. But it's looking sweltering across the entire Lone Star State tomorrow. Now, at the beaches, we are going to see that wind increase tomorrow, and there is a moderate onshore flow for tomorrow, a moderate rip current risk for tomorrow. So the water at 87 degrees, the seas coming up a little bit. It's going to be a little rougher out there the next few days for fishing as well. Here's the fishing forecast, and you can see for Saturday and Sunday, a chop on the bays, 3 to 5 foot seas by Sunday as that wind continues to pick up. By Monday, it comes down just a little bit. Well, here's the difference we're going to see for next week. As you know, we've been in this heat wave. We've had the heat, humidity, above average temperatures, even that record high temperature yesterday. The high pressure area aloft responsible for this is going to be over us again tomorrow and into Sunday. You can see it right here. But the forecast models have been pretty consistent for next week. They're still showing this high pressure dome starting to push off to the west during the week next week. And with that will allow some tropical moisture to start moving back in from the south. You can see, so we're looking at that change for next week. Now, here's a look at a wave that the forecast models are picking up for next week. This is next Wednesday. Remember, we're dry for the first part of the week, but by the time we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, as that moisture increases, we'll probably see some showers and some thunderstorms. That would be late next week and for the weekend. We'll keep watching it and have updates. Here's your 7-day forecast, though. Nothing changing much for the weekend. Rather windy, temperatures well above average. They do start to come down next week, though, as you can see, and I did add a slight chance of rain by Thursday and Friday.